Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless mic sound better in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply set the correct mic volume. For that, simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to open the system settings. Now here click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Over here, when you are inside, you will see this output section. Then we have this input section. So I want you to scroll down a bit and take a look at this input section. Over here, you can add your device by clicking on this add device option. When you find your headset over here, simply select it and you need to make the input volume around 80 to 100%, and this ensures that your voice is loud enough. After doing this, you need to open the HyperEngineity application on your PC. Then you just have to simply select your headset, and after that you just have to increase the mic gain and sensitivity. So as it can be seen here in this particular screenshot, you will see these types of volume, microphone and mic monitoring options. So you need to enable mic monitoring and then you need to increase mic gain or sensitivity. Avoid mixing it out to prevent any kind of distortion. Now inside the Nginity or your application, you just have to also enable the noise suppression. Just keep it at a moderate level so that it removes the background noise without cutting your voice. So you can try these fixes and see if your microphone sounds clearer and more professional. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.